In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WooCommerce product image size issue. By the end, your shop grid, product pages, and thumbnails should look consistent, sharp, and aligned with your theme. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central place where we'll make the adjustments, so make sure you're using an account with administrator access. Once you're in, we'll head straight to the WooCommerce settings. Open WooCommerce, then select Settings. This takes you to the main configuration area for your store. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Click Products, and within that section, look for the display area. Depending on your version of WooCommerce and your theme, this might be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the place where product image settings live. Inside the display settings, find the product images section. This is where WooCommerce controls how large your images appear in the shop catalog, on single product pages, and in small thumbnails. The goal is to use sizes that are large enough to look crisp on modern screens, while keeping a consistent aspect ratio so your rows and columns line up neatly. Now set the proper sizes. As a general guideline, many stores use something around 800 to 1200 pixels for the main single product image and around 600 to 800 pixels for catalog images. Thumbnails can be smaller, such as 300 to 400 pixels. If your theme favors square images, choose equal width and height to keep everything uniform. If it prefers a rectangle, match that ratio across all images. When available, use the cropping option that best suits your design. Hard crop will force uniform boxes, which helps grids align, while uncropped preserves original proportions but may lead to uneven rows. If you're unsure, check your theme's documentation for recommended dimensions and aspect ratios. After you've set those values, save your changes. WooCommerce will apply the new sizes going forward. If you see a notice about regenerating thumbnails, go ahead and follow the prompt so existing images are refreshed to the new dimensions. This helps avoid mismatched sizes caused by older images that were generated under previous settings. Finally, to make sure you're seeing the latest version of your site, click the three dots at the top right corner of your browser and clear your cache. In most browsers, choose Clear Browsing Data, select cached images and files, and confirm. Then reload your shop and product pages to verify the images now display consistently at the sizes you set. That's it. Your WooCommerce product images should now look clean, consistent, and on brand.